Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, don't mind the background. Here we have Amanda. Amanda is my cameraman for today. My camera woman for today.
I'm not a woman. I'm not even big enough.
Sorry. Amanda is my camera girl for today. And I'm having the assistant camera person. Come and show your face. The assistant camera person today, which is my baby girl, Sophia. So today, we are doing Shein unboxing with us. So, as usual, let's see what we got in our Shein.
Yeah, I was also wondering.
Yeah, okay, what do you think is here? Sophia, don't talk because I'm giving you a hint. What do you think we have here, Amanda?
I think we have clothes.
What kind of clothes?
Clothes for you, me, and Sophia, and I think you're
Sophia, what do we have here?
I think it's a fan farm.
A swimming clothes. Okay, let's now open and see. So the first thing we're having here is, okay, this one is for me, and I'll be trying it soon.
And if you want,
for me, a short,
and then
it?
Yeah,
a short, and this.
and if you want to see mommy add it on, like and subscribe.
Thank you. If you want to see me wearing it, please like and subscribe. So
and
here we're having, guess whose own is this? Who can guess? Sophia. Show Sophia. Who can guess? So come and stand there. So I will be seeing you. What do we have here?
I think it's my phone.
Okay. I don't think so. Here we have for Amanda.
Oh.
So Amanda, I got you some trousers. You'll be trying it too.
And if you want to see me wear it on, like and subscribe. And if you think I'm cute, like and subscribe too. Mommy,
Yeah.
I want this to be mine because I love unicorns.
I don't know who owns this one. Okay, let's open this one first.
And mommy.
And this one is a swimming clothes for Sophia.
Yes. Wait, so it means the unicorn one is for me.
Yes, I didn't see a unicorn one for Sophia's size. So guys, look at it. Has a little, this one will be for the one for swimming. After you come, you can see it. Can they see it very well?
Yes, I'm seeing it. It's full of feet.
So this one, when they come out from the water, they can actually put on this one.
Yeah, it's like a dress, but it's actually a dress towel.
When you come out from water, when you're feeling cold, you have, Sophia, this one is for you. So thank you. Don't just laugh.
Thank you.
And Amanda, this is for Amanda.
Yeah, and we have a unicorn one.
And it's same thing.
Mommy, you know.
This one is beautiful. Are you showing them the camera or you just want to talk?
Oh, sorry.
This is beautiful.
Yes.
This is very beautiful. And the same thing too with the one of Sophia. It has this
towel
on top. Something like a towel you can cover yourself when it's cold. So later Amanda can have it.
Yeah, we can have it when we're going to Daddy's workplace. We're going swimming there.
Yes.
With Uncle's son.
So this one is for me.
Yeah, I think it's a swimming clothes too.
Yeah, this one is for swimming too. These are for me. And they look good though. They look good and quality.
Yeah.
Yay! Now I got a clothes. Then this one too. I got a top for myself.
So
guys,
it looks like a football shirt.
It's so big, but it's fine.
This one looks like a football shirt.
It looks like a football dress.
Football
Guys,
shirt.
It looks very big.
I said football shirt.
But I think this is the design. It looks big.
I don't know.
The size I took.
I don't know. I don't know if it fits on Daddy or you.
It's mine. I bought it for myself, so it's gonna definitely fit on me. And here is the last one. It's finished.
And it's for you.
Here we got the last one.
Is that for you?
Hey, Amanda, make sure they're seeing me.
Oh, okay. And is this for you? Everybody
this one
think-
is also another one for me.
And it looks like a simple shirt. That's the design.
I'm gonna be trying it. It looks so big, very big. I bought large, oh, but as I'm seeing it now, it looks like it's double XL. But anyway, we're gonna be trying it. So guys, this is it. If you know you enjoyed this video, I know this video will be kind of chaotic, but if you know you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed yet, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And one more last thing. Don't skip my ads. Please watch to the end.
And if you don't, nobody will pray for you.
Okay. So right now we'll be trying it, and we'll be making. The girls will try their swimming clothes. Let's see how it looks on them. So Amanda, bring the phone. Let them try it, and I will be right back. Sophia's own. Sophia, let me go back a bit. Yours is looking so beautiful, oh. Turn your back, let's see. Turn your front, let's see. Oh yeah, bring this way, the other one, and put it on top.
Okay.
Yeah, this is so beautiful.
Shall we take a picture?
I'm taking you a picture already.
Mommy, that's not.
Turn, let's see. Someone that you stand, come bring your own unicorn stuff. Come and stand first. Let's see yours without this one. Stand, let's see. Guys, how do you people see it? They are so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I went to H&M last time to buy swimming clothes for these children. My dear, the price just drove me away. I'm seeing a price of $350 for one swimming clothes. Trust me, in Shein, and the swimming clothes, I'm gonna take this one. The Shein clothes, the one in H&M doesn't even have this one on top. And this one is Shein. I bought it for 100 kronos. So imagine, I used that money to get two for the both of them. And I also have change left. So if you're going to join your sister, people should stay. We're going for swimming soon.
Swimming soon today, for real.
Why would it be today? So this is my girls. These are beautiful.
Mine was that.
Imagine you come out from water and it's freezing. You just have to cover yourself. I love it. I feel like mine should also be like this. This is beautiful.
Mommy, we have towels.
I bought. Guys, though it looks a little bit too big on her, but she will grow in it. Go back a bit, Mama. I'm an African parent, so I'm an African mom who do buy clothes and said, oh, don't worry, she will grow in it. But Amanda, Sophia, go and stand with your sister. Do you people like your clothes?
Yes, I love my swimming clothes. This is you.
Sophia, what about you? Do you like yours?
Yeah, it's the same with the towel.
Yeah, but you like it.
Yeah.
Amanda, what about you?
I like it too. I love my swimming clothes.
They are beautiful.
They're full of unicorns, and I love you.
So what do you have to say?
I have to say, like and subscribe. And
No, thank you.
thank you. No, yes, face.
Thank you. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.
And when I grew up, if you want to see my video when I grow up,
Okay.
comment in the below.
If you want to see Amanda grow up.
No, I mean grow from doing my own channel.
Okay. Okay.
This is summer, and I should do my channel now.
So Amanda said she wants to get her own YouTube channel. So please, guys, when she open her own channel, do well to subscribe to her channel.
Mommy, look what I do.
According to her, she want to open the channel this summer. So please, you guys should do. Oh, I'm Sophia, your leg is beautiful. You're standing very well. I like the way you're standing, eh? You teach me how to stand like that.
Yeah.
Mm.
One day.
Oh,
One day.
I didn't say you should follow.
I didn't want it so far. I really far. First time like that, I don't want this way again.
Yeah, but this is beautiful. All right, guys. See you guys when I try on mine too.
And we can have
So guys, how did you see this one? This I pair it with this jean. I don't really, the clothes is very big. You can see the arms. This is the second toe.
And if you want to have the same clothes like that, you just bought it from
Let me particular one. I'm getting prepared for summer. See that boom boom.